I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Or I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow with you.
Itong awiting
Love, happy 12 years anniversary. Kahit nasa malayo ako, alam mo, ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo hindi magbabago. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita. Pati ang ating mga anak. Alam mo naman, you're my only one. Habang ako nabubuhay. I love you more. I love you so much. With all my heart. I hope next year, kasama ko na kayo dito. Lahat kayo na, lahat ng buong pamilya natin, mga anak natin. I love you. Happy anniversary.
Bubuhatin kita pag may rayuma ka na, o kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahinang tuhod, ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod, o kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Loves pa rin kita kahit bungi-bungi ka na. Para sa akin ikaw pa rin ang pinakamaganda, o kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda.